So with the iPhone X being out for almost 2 months now, usually by this point, everyone's found those hidden features, the tips and tricks, the stuff that Apple doesn't tell you. So with the help of the TechSmart crew, Kyle, Matt, myself, we have gone through Reddit and Twitter to find all the hidden features and just secret cool tricks that you don't know about on your iPhone X. So some of these include improving speed, quality, and the camera app, which is pretty cool. So let's check it out. So the first trick actually lets you shoot photos on your iPhone X and a few other iPhone models too in RAW. And quickly vote up in the iCard if you guys use the regular camera app or another camera app to take your photos. Basically, this works on the iPhone 6s, the 7, the SE, the 8, and of course, the iPhone X. So with the default camera app on your iPhone X, you can't shoot RAW photos. So to do this, we're gonna be using an app I downloaded called Halid. It costs $5. I'll leave it linked down below if you guys wanna check it out. And what this app allows you to do is shoot RAW photos and really just customize the exposure, the shutter speed, and do a lot of other things that many other camera apps let you customize. So this allowing you to take RAW photos is dope because when I head outside in a second, I can really kind of start to see where the shot is gonna be composed and ultimately take it into Lightroom to bring out some of the other details that a RAW photo would offer. So if you guys don't know what a RAW photo is, basically it takes a flat image and then in post-production you can really flare it up and customize it so the sun is shining at your camera and kind of blowing out the image with a RAW photo. You can kind of change that in post-production so you're getting a blue sky, you're getting the details you really want. And some of the other features in the Halid app, obviously besides allowing you to toggle on and off a RAW photo, you can also go ahead and change the exposure just by sliding up and down. It's pretty smooth and buttery, just being able to slide up and then pull back your exposure. You can change the manual focus. This is actually pretty sweet. So if I go to the left here, it brings it out of focus, quickly back to the middle, in focus. It's just really customizable and intuitive. We're gonna go outside right now and take 2 separate photos. One is just your standard JPEG, the other is RAW, and you'll see for yourself how much of a difference it makes. Wow. So we're outside now, about to test this Halid app. So as you can see, I have a non-RAW photo, so just your standard JPEG that's about to be taken. So we're gonna do a before and after. We bump the exposure up a little bit. It's a good looking shot. All right, now let's turn RAW on. Sweet, so just like that, I took our 2 photos. So now you're seeing both photos side by side, and you guys can definitely tell what the capabilities are of shooting RAW. So the 6S, the 7, and the 8, as well as the 10, are the only iPhones that can shoot RAW photos, and you need an app like Halid to make this all happen. Like honestly, I'm impressed, and let me know in the comments if you guys can tell a difference too. It works. Now this next trick is supposed to improve the speed and efficiency of the power button on the iPhone X. And I've kind of seen this work iffy on my iPhone X. It definitely works on Matt's. He's back in New York right now, so I can't show you. Let me know in the comments if this actually works for you guys or doesn't. But basically, when you have an iPhone X and you double click the power button on the side, Apple Pay comes up. So when that comes up, it asks for your face. It wants to make sure you're actually using your phone so you can pay for whatever you want. Now to turn this off, and this is supposed to improve the efficiency and overall speed of locking your device, you want to just turn off double click side button. So when you press the button once and you have this feature turned on, it's waiting around to see if there's gonna be a second click there to present all your cards for Apple Pay. Now, when you have this turned off and you just click it once, it's gonna turn your phone off. So let's see if this actually works. I mean, this kind of does work on some iPhone X. Seriously, let me know in the comments if it works on your phone. So when I click the button here, it turns off nice and easy. So I'll unlock it, turn it on, and see if there's a delay. Okay. It's like a solid second delay. You can hear the pause in there. For me, I don't notice any difference. I've seen this work on his phone. You can trust me on that. Maybe they fixed it. I don't really think they did. Maybe just my iPhone X is being weird. Probably is. Now this next trick speeds up the whole face unlock process, and it does actually work. I tried it for myself. So basically when I unlock my iPhone X right now, I have to really get my face lined up for the phone to recognize my face and unlock. So obviously I can swipe up and I'm good to go now. But say you want to speed this up, or let's just say, for example, you're in bed, you're laying down, you got the double chin going. Face ID sometimes has a hard time recognizing when you're laying down that it's actually your face, although you're the one holding the phone and no one else is with you in your room. You're living that life. So to speed this up, you're gonna scroll on down, you're gonna go to Face ID and passcode, put your passcode in, and then turn off require attention for Face ID. So once you turn this off, it'll recognize parts of your face and unlock your iPhone. So in most situations, that's gonna be fine. You're in your bed, you're by yourself, No one's trying to unlock your iPhone 10 or steal it from you, but in others, like if you're sleeping with someone, I can see why you'd want to have it on. So check this out. When I turn my phone like this and I just tilt it ever so slightly, it unlocks. Now I'm gonna try to do that with attention on, and you're gonna see it won't unlock. Same angle. You can see the true depths trying to find my face, but I have to tilt it up a little more for it to unlock. So we'll try that one more time. And just like that, that is a little movement, little angle. You're swiped up and you're good to go. Now at the beginning of this video, I said I'd be showing you guys 3 different tricks for your iPhone 10. Well, there's actually a 4th, a bonus one, and it's with the wallpapers. So since the iPhone 10 has a completely new different way of showing animations, the wallpaper game has really stepped up. And let me tell you, I have the coolest looking wallpapers that I'm about to show you. So my buddy Tanner actually sent me this originally. I'll leave a link down below for the full site where you guys can pick these up. But basically, when you go over to this site, just swipe over. As you guys can see, I just showed you guys a preview there. There is this iPhone 10 wallpaper with a border, and it looks pretty sweet. You guys can see the different previews. You got gold, a green, an orange, a yellow. It's just jumping right on into them. So how this actually works is you need to set your wallpaper as a still, keep reduce motion off, and you never tap perspective. I mean, the instructions are right there. So let me show you what this looks like in full effect. It's actually pretty sweet. So we're gonna go into my photos. I got the wallpaper right here. We're gonna set this, use as wallpaper, keep it as still, set as lock screen, sure. I don't know why I didn't hit set both, but I'm different like that. So watch when I swipe home here. Just watch the animation that happens. Did you guys see that? I'm gonna try that one more time just so you guys can really see that. So I'm in Twitter here. When I swipe down, the border of the iPhone 10 screen shows. It's pretty cool looking. Now, it doesn't just stop there. There's actually a more animated one, and I'll show you guys that now. Now, let me set this, and instead of keeping it as still, we're gonna set it as perspective for both. So when I swipe down, it just like expands out. Let's go into Instagram real quick. And it just expands out. It's kind of like a new moving wallpaper. And for real though, I'm actually digging the outlined border one. It looks the cleanest in my opinion. Go like the photo I just posted up on Instagram of these different borders. He's got a ton of different colors. You'll find something you like. So yeah guys, those are 3 secret iPhone 10 features that you probably didn't know. That's gonna do it for this video. Make sure you guys get subscribed with notifications turned on if you're new, and let me know in the comments if you guys are just joining the Notice Squad. Peep the Insta story. Make sure you guys are following us over on Instagram. It's always popping over there. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.